Why poor people stay poor. Today, I want to tell you an uncomfortable truth. Most poor people do not stay poor because they have less money. They stay poor because of their habits, mindset, and daily decisions. And the saddest part? Many people don't even realize it. A rich person and a poor person both get the same 24 hours every day. The real difference is how they use that time. People with a poor mindset often choose instant pleasure. People with a rich mindset choose long-term growth. One person gets paid and buys expensive shoes or a new phone. Another person uses that same money to learn a skill or invest. After 5 years, one is still struggling. The other is growing financially. The truth is, most people spend hours watching reels, scrolling social media, and wasting time. But they don't spend even 30 minutes learning about money, skills, or self-improvement. Then they say, rich people are just lucky. But that's not true. Rich people usually make different decisions. Many poor people fear taking risks, never learn new skills, depend only on one salary, chase short-term happiness. While successful people build valuable skills, create multiple income sources, learn every day, make their money work for them. Another harsh truth is this:
your environment can keep you poor too. If everyone around you makes excuses, avoids growth, and thinks small, slowly, you start becoming the same. You hear things like, business is too risky, investing is gambling, we can never become successful. These thoughts destroy dreams before they even begin. That's why successful people protect their mindset and choose their environment carefully. But being born poor is not failure. Real failure happens when someone refuses to learn, improve, and change. Today, we live in the internet age. Knowledge is everywhere. Skills can be learned online. Opportunities are everywhere. But most people only consume content. Very few create something valuable. If you truly want to change your life, start by changing your habits. Spend less time scrolling. Spend more time learning. Stop trying to impress people. Start investing in yourself. Stop making excuses. Start taking action. Because poverty is not always about money. Sometimes it starts in the mind. And once your mindset changes, your future starts changing too.